Hi guys, it's Marianne. I hope you're doing well. So I was thinking I wanted to share my weight loss journey with you guys and just tell you why I decided after years and years of not caring that maybe I should. Last year in New Year's we went to Austin with Peter and I and the girls. Little did I know it was going to be the last few days, you know, that I saw Pete. That's a different story, and we'll talk about it another day. But a lot of you know that he's in Vanuatu and hasn't been able to come home. Anyways, the girls took a picture of me. We were in a barbecue place, and there was a mountain of barbecue there in front of me, and my beer, and yeah, I had like a big hanging neck because it was full of fat. Happiness. and you know, I don't know, I saw that picture and I'm like, what the heck? No, I can't let this be me for the, you know, I'm 61 now and who knows how much longer I have, or none of us know that. But I'm like, no, I gotta do something about this. So I got serious after many years and decided, all right, this is it. I'm going to lose weight. It was pure vanity, guys. No health, nothing, pure vanity. So I started doing very strict keto. And what I found is, yes, I lost weight, I did. And by October, I had dropped 35 pounds. In October, I think it finally sunk into me that I wasn't gonna see Pete in a long time. My sister got sick, she's fine. But you know, I went to see her, she needed surgery. And I just like, I don't know, I didn't fall off that wagon, I jumped off that wagon. And I'm like, I've all year I've been no flour, no sugar, too much fat for my body, you know, like too much bacon and cream and cheese. That, and we'll talk about that in another video. I kind of paid for that one, cholesterol wise, but at any rate. And then I just went nuts and, you know, 35 pounds down, then 10 pounds up. And I'm like, all right, time to stop this. And this is why I decided, all right, maybe low carb is the way to go, which is what I've been doing, right? Last week, this week, and yeah, so what I wanted to share today with you is a juice that I take in the mornings, first thing, this one. Not every day, guys, only when I'm feeling like extra bloated or I want to start my day with something different. I'll make this juice and then I'll sip it all day long. And this is just cucumbers, celery, and lemon. You can use lime and water. So what this does, it just, I feel hydrated. I feel like almost like it's cleaning me from the inside. I also, you know, cucumber is a diuretic. So when I'm bloated and my belly is like, ugh, you know, it helps with that. It helps me flatten my belly. It also helps me go to the bathroom, which, you know, keto can tend to like stop all those pipes working. And yeah, so today we're gonna start with this very easy, very delicious, very refreshing juice I wanna show you. I keep it in the fridge in my little jug like this, and I just drink it during the day. Guys, this isn't you know, medical or anything like that. If you have any issues like low blood pressure, I don't know, please ask your doctor if you can do this. But this is cucumber and celery, and that's it, and lemon. So just to cleanse ourselves and start the day feeling clean. Before we do anything, if you haven't subscribed, please sub, turn on the notification button, and let's make this. All right, so this is really simple, guys. We're going to put cucumber and celery into our blender. I have these little cucumbers. Use regular cucumber, whatever you want. This, I mean, I think if I glued this together, I'd have like a medium cucumber here. Okay, so use whatever you have. This is what I have in my fridge, and yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I have 2 pieces of celery, and then we're gonna put lemon juice on it after it is all blended. We'll half this, and we'll put it in the blender. I'm gonna put a little water in here, and we're gonna blend. This is a high-powered blender, guys, so it got rid of everything, the little strings from the celery, everything. So I don't need to pass this through a sieve, but if yours isn't, you will have to, because otherwise you'll have those little, you know, threads from the celery, okay? So I put a little ice in my pitcher. I add my juice. I squeeze the lemon in there, and you can use lime for this as well. And then I just top it off with water. And then I drink it during the day. So let's taste our delicious juice. It's refreshing, as I said, very clean. I can hear my body thanking me. It's good stuff, guys. All right, I hope you give this a try, and I'll see you tomorrow.